Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to do some crash tests with the Ruko F11MINI Drone. So we'll get right into the crash tests. Okay, let's go for this tree right here in front. Okay, there's crash one. It looks like it made it through there. Boom! Crash number two. So, those two crashes, the tree, everything looks okay. Blades don't look damaged. Just a little dirt on it. Okay, just crashed it into the rock. Let's see how it is. Everything's intact. Blades are still intact. Just some scratches. Still going. All right. Looks like it's still going. Just the arms just kind of folded in, but the blades are still intact. So let's keep crashing it into the chair. Whoa! All right, that one was a little bit hard, but everything still looks good. Just the arms folded in, blades are still intact. So there you have it. After 12 rounds of various crashes, I'm very impressed on how the Ruko F11MINI Drone held up. The blades will definitely need to be replaced, but that won't be an issue since you get extra blades. The arms are intact. There's scuff marks and scratches throughout the main body, the top, the sides, and the bottom. The camera protector definitely did its job as it protected the camera, and it took a lot of the hits. The camera still works with no issues, and connectivity to the controller was not affected. Everything worked after those 12 crashes. This definitely, in my opinion, is a good entry-level beginner drone, as it's very forgiving and good to learn on. And finally, this is what you get. It comes with a carrying bag, 2 batteries, extra blades, charging cables, the controller, the drone, and user guide. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.